If your Lincoln Aviator is refusing to launch Apple CarPlay, don't head to the dealership just yet. Data shows that over 85% of smartphone integration issues are caused by software glitches rather than hardware failure. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to get your maps and music back on the screen. Start with these basic steps, specifically the soft reset of the sync system, which clears most temporary bugs. Sometimes the issue isn't the car at all, but a restricted setting hidden deep within your iPhone menus. If wireless isn't working, try a wired connection to determine if the car's Wi-Fi module is the culprit. Try the soft reset first to keep your data, but a master reset is necessary if the software is corrupted. As this breakdown shows, hardware failure is rare, so focus your efforts on software and cabling first. Lincoln frequently pushes over-the-air updates to improve sync force stability, so ensure your Aviator is up to date. Keep these items handy to quickly troubleshoot any future connectivity drops while on the road. Remember that modern cars are essentially computers on wheels, and sometimes they just need a fresh start. If these steps fixed your Aviator, give us a like and subscribe for more luxury tech troubleshooting.